It's 5:20 on a Sunday morning, and me and a mate of mine, who's a little bit older than me, but not really any the wiser, have decided that we're going to have a bit of fun and do a slightly different bike ride. We're going to ride into the should be empty city centre and just have a bit of an arse around. Ride our bikes in places where you probably shouldn't normally ride your bikes or be allowed to ride your bikes. I've dusted off my old mountain bike. The brakes don't work very well. The gears are a bit shot, but what's the worst that can happen? Now I'm going to level with you. This is not the world's best thought through plan ever. So let's try and have a bit of fun as we age. Dean's 10 years older than me. He should really know better. To be perfectly honest, we should both know better. But you've got to have a bit of fun in life. You might as well try and grow old disgracefully. Nearly at Dean's. Must have been riding quicker than I thought. So I'm about 15 minutes early. Hopefully he'll be up. I found Dean. He was up, ready and raring to go. We're now heading into the city. So let's see what happens now that I've teamed up with the supposedly sensible one of this pair. Oh yeah, that looks like it might be slightly daft. Where does it go? It's a goods yard. Let's not go down there. Oh God, I hope there's nobody at the bottom here. My brakes don't work. Ah! Right, first one, past the lights at the bottom, Dean. Ready, steady, go. Oh! Come on, old man. Oh, shit, my bike won't change gear.
Over the bridge.
So far, so good. Bit of messing about. I can hear police sirens in the background. I can't imagine they're for us. They've probably got better things to do than chase us pair of silly-arsed idiots about round the city centre on a Sunday morning. Need to find a set of steps and throw you down them on your bike. It's newly repaired, your brakes work, your suspension is all in fine fettle. What could possibly go wrong? I think this is harder work. I'm just going for a normal 25-30 mile bike ride. We're going up and down the hills in the city centre. I'm worn out. Is this technically braking and entering? No. Nope. Back to the original scene of the crime. Yeah. I mean, to be fair, we're not the greatest criminal masterminds ever, are we? Because we've come into an area where you're not supposed to be and videoed ourselves doing it, and I'm going to put it on YouTube. Oh! So what do you think? Worth getting up early and arsing about in the city centre? Let me know in the comments. I'm a firm believer that you're going to grow old, but growing up is entirely optional.
You did see the police car over there?
I did see the police car, yes. I lost you there for a minute. bin lorry. I'm back. What do you think of my genius plan so far then, Dean?
Well, as plans go. What can I say?
That's a ringing endorsement of a Sunday morning. Look at the arrows. That's how crazy we are. Going the wrong way down a one-way street. At 6:30 on a Sunday morning. Oh, that's what happens when you get to 55 and 65 respectively. That's the level of excitement you can expect. Oh, I've lost Dean. Where's he gone? He was behind me a minute ago. Found him. Stopped to take photos again. I should have known that's where he was. Oh! Straight down the steps.
Yeah, right.
Go, go, go. Oh no, they're a bit steep. Pedestrian and cycle zone. There you go. We are back somewhere we're allowed. Down here. Oh.
We got past the cathedral.
Yeah, okay. Having raced around the city centre, we're both out of puff. My right knee is playing up. So we've calmed down and just taking a gentle ride. I hope you're enjoying the experience as much as we are. Something a little bit different. Not our usual sort of calm, scenic Sunday morning ride. Mix it up a little bit. Dean, you absolute hooligan and rebel and disobeyer of laws.
I know.
Oh, we've come outside of the city a little bit and we found what looks like is it a BMX track? Dean, you know you want to. Haha. Okay.
It's a piece of cake.
Life insurance up to date? Two old blokes on a BMX track. Very happy.
Well, that'll do me.
There you go. Just goes to prove that you don't have to grow up. A BMX track on a hybrid and a ratty old mountain bike that hasn't been used for years with dodgy brakes is not going to stop us, pair. Oh, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this. Whoever you are, wherever you are, take care of yourself. Thanks so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you the next time. Bye.